Yeah! Who's the announcer?
Susanna! Fatima!
Who's the announcer?
Wait till she comes. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Fatima, C5, Muslim background believer from Palestine. She wears the crown of salvation and a hijab, keeping in line with conservative Muslim practices, showing Christmas spirit by covering her skin. The hijab also doubles as a Christmas tree. This outfit would be in vogue in Bethlehem, Dubai, or New Orleans. Ladies and gentlemen, Fatima.
And the yellow team.
Yellow team. Chad. Well, we have combined a Christmas type theme as well as an Americana theme. And so what we have here is Shadis, our model, is displaying the stars and stripes in somewhat of a Christmas Americana theme. Obviously the Statue of Liberty. We're also tying in the stars, the various things, in different places of the United States. And so we have Christmas in Southern California with the shades. We have our Hawaiian friends as well. And we have Christmas in New Orleans, of course. And of course the feet that bring good news as well. Am I missing anything, folks?
Very nice, very nice.